What's up, y'all? It's been a minute since I've been out here in the garden. I feel like I haven't been out here in like 2 weeks. But today is still really chilly. It's been really cold and it's been raining a lot, so I haven't been able to come out. And today is still pretty chilly, so I'm not gonna be out here that long. But I'm out here because the Luffa has started to die off because it's been cold. You can see crunchy leaves and things. And we can take this out now. Like you saw my harvest earlier, I'll show you that again. But the ones that we've already harvested that are dried out and ready to be used as sponges, you saw me use some soap. So I'm just gonna get going. It's still doing some things. Like see, that's a baby Luffa right there. But these right here, they're huge and they're just gonna have to dry out on their own if they dry out at all. This plant, the whole thing, has to come out. And there's so many Luffas hanging on this plant that I'm gonna save them. I'm gonna dry them out and I'm gonna try my hand at possibly taking them to farmer's market. In the meantime, that's my job today, is to get out here and just get rid of this plant. And just like that, the Luffa Chronicles are over. No more privacy fence from the Luffa vine, and you can see there's a lot of cleaning up to do. I'm gonna leave that to the boys to put all of the actual vine in the trash, and that's all of my Luffas. I counted 78 of those that I just pulled off, and that's not including the ones that I left on the vine because they were either too small to make good sponges or too big to eat or starting to rot already. So I would love to compost all of this, but I compost bin, that one, and the bucket way over there, the little blue bucket. They're full, and it's gonna probably take those a while to process because it's winter time now and it's not super cold, but it's too cold to make the pile super hot. So that's why those have to go in the trash. And again, like I said, I counted 78 of the gourds that I just pulled off, not including these over here that we had already taken off and processed. I don't know how many those are, but that's a lot of Luffa from one tiny little seed that started out as my single seed challenge and is now going to turn into soaps and sponges and all sorts of things. And like I said, I might try my hand at going to farmer's market with these. So we'll see how that goes. Thanks for tuning in. Thanks for coming back to my garden. It's been great fun. And this has been such a ride. Like I've learned so much about what I can do in the garden. I've learned so much about researching and how much you can actually get when you try. Like I was not supposed to get this much out of this plant. I expected to get maybe 5 or 10, and it started out really super slow, so I didn't think I would get anything, but there you go. I got all of that, and I'm so proud of it. Again, thank you for tuning in, and stay tuned for the winter garden.